Today's episode is very interesting as you are getting discount up to rupees 500 on all the sarees. I'm going to show you. I will start with raw silk Banarasi. This is number 1. Saree number 1, raw silk Banarasi. Original price is 8950 and you will get a discount of 450 rupees. The price will be 8500. The original price is 8950. After discount it will be 8500. This is the entire look. It's a combination of gunstray of orange and pink with a turquoise blue border. This is the entire look. Pure raw silk with silk mark. Original price is 8950. This is the palla part. And this extended part is the blouse piece of the saree. This is the look of the entire saree. Very pretty one. Original price 8950. Now after discount it will be 8500. Moving to the next one, I would like to thank all my clients for your grand success. Make my exhibition grand success. Your support, which has been held on Friday and Saturday. This is saree number 2, another raw silk Banarasi. Another raw silk Banarasi. In this saree also gun spray technique has been used. Just check, it is a combination of yellow with green. Just look at the saree. Palla part, and you are getting a blouse piece of yellow color along with this saree. Just see. Just check the blouse piece. Price will remain same, 8950. After discount 8500. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all of you to put some comments. How do you like the sarees? And if there is any requirement, you can WhatsApp me on this number. It will start. This extended part is the blouse piece. This portion is the palla. I will show you the body part. It's a combination of brown and with orange. Brown with orange, raw silk Banarasi, and this portion, this orange is the blouse piece of the saree. Just check. This is the look. For booking, take the screenshot. Price will remain same, that is 8950. After discount 8500. 8500. This is the entire look of the saree. Moving to the next one. Now I am going to show you some sarees which we call Lambani, fusion embroidery. This is not Lambani, we call it fusion embroidery. Just check the color combination and the neatness of the saree. These all are fusion embroidery. This is the palla part. Check the palla part. It is of biscuit color. This is the look. Original price is 10,250 and you will get a discount, and the discounted price will be 9900. 9900 will be the price of the sarees. After discount 9900 will be the price. All are gachi tasar with this type of fusion embroidery. Just check with silk mark. These all are beautifully done. Beautifully done. ভীষণ মানে নিখুঁত ভাবে অনেক effort দিয়ে শাড়িগুলো তৈরি করা হয়েছে. Those who want to book the sarees, please take the screenshot or mention the saree number. This is saree number 4. This is saree number 4. This is the entire look of the saree, and along with this saree you are getting a blouse piece of this color. This portion is for blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece. This will go like this way. I will show you the contrast blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Booking number is 9330866384. Now this one is also hand embroidery, fusion embroidery, we can say Lambani type. Actually in original Lambani saree, which comes from Karnataka, there are 16 types of stitches, but in these sarees we provide you only 4 to 5 types of stitches, but these are also equally pretty sarees. Just check the color combination, just see the neatness of the work. See, I have the Karnataka sari also, Karnataka Lambani saris, but these are from West Bengal. We does all this sari in our city. Just see, this is the look. A very pretty one. The color is chocolate, milk chocolate color, along with a contrast blouse piece of green color. Just check, it's a very unusual combination. Green color is the blouse piece. Price remains same, 9,900 after discount. Now it's a pink one. This is also similar type. I will show you 4-5 colors, otherwise it is difficult for you to understand or take the decision of purchasing a sari. Just check the designs. Check the designs. How pretty it is. These all are fusion embroidery because 3 to 5 types of stitches are used in this saris. Palla part. Requesting all of you to put some comments. Put some comments. How do you like the saris? And please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is the exact color of the sari. Exact view of the sari, both side border along with the buta. Along with the buta. This is the look. And palla. Along with this sari also you are getting a contrast yellow color, lemon yellow color blouse piece. Just check the color combination of the sari along with the blouse piece. Price remains same, 9900. All are Gachi Tasar with silk mark certification. Now next one. This one is not the virgin color, it is also dyed. The color is biscuit color or sandalwood. You can say sandalwood. Palla part. This portion is for the palla. All the sarees having a cord piping along with this embroidery. Price is 9900, which is the discounted price. This discount will continue till 14th April. Those who want to purchase all these sarees, please take it and send me the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. This is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. Just check the color combination, see the design. It's all are very pretty, very neatly done. And the discounted price is 9900. The discounted price is 9900. All are Gachi Tasar, and along with this saree you are getting a blouse piece. In this saree also you are getting a contrast blouse piece. This is the entire look of the saree. For booking, please take the screenshot. Requesting all of you to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues, and please subscribe my channel. This is another one, blue color. This is blue color on Tasar base. That's why the colors are very soothing. This is the palla part. This portion is entirely for the palla. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. Just see, this is another one. In this saree also you are getting both side border with small buta, and definitely with a contrast blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece also. This is the entire look. Take the screenshot for booking. Palla part, and this is the blouse piece. You are getting, I am showing you the blouse piece in this way so that you can get an idea of the saree. You are getting a blouse piece of green color along with this saree. Moving to the next one. The price is same, 9900. Now this saree, saree number 9. Saree number 9. It's a Tasar base, mix and match. See the palla part, printed Tasar, along with half portion is print and along with Gujarati buta. This is the look. Palla part. Now I will show you the body. Just see the color combination. The gun spray technique has been used for the border. All over the body you are getting this type of Gujarati buta with mirror. These all are mica to make the color combination brighter. This is the look of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot. This is also Gachi Tasar. This is also Gachi Tasar. Just check the sari. It's beautiful one, beautiful one. Palla, and along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. The blouse piece is similar like border and palla. This portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Next one is another zari border tasar, on which this zari border tasar, on which this work has been done. Just see, this is the palla part. From half sari, from palla to half sari, you will get this type of designs. Just see, this will be the look. It's a combination of grey with blue. These all are Kutch work. These all are Kutch work. The original price 7850, and you will get a discount. The price will be 7200. 7200. This is the entire look, and the rest half is with the block. This is the block portion, is the half sari. It will be the look. Along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece of blue color. Just see, this is the look of the sari. It will be the look of the sari. Price is 7200. 7200 is the price. Now I will show you some silk, printed silk. All are Katan silk. I will show you the designs. All are Katan silk. Just check. Very colorful, bright and vibrant also, but as well as all are very sober. This is the palla part. All are Katan silk. You are getting this discount till 14th April. This is the entire look. Katan, printed Katan silk. Original price is 4950. Now you will get a discount, and the price will be 4600. 4600 will be the price for all the sarees. This is the look. 4600 will be the price. Katan silk at rupees 4600. It's very difficult to get. After 14th April the price of silk will rise. So those who want to book the sarees, please take it right now. And this is the blouse piece along with the saree. This is the blouse piece along with the saree. Moving to the next one, another black and white combination, but it's very pretty one. I will show you. This is the entire look. This is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. Black and white combination. Price will remain same. Price will remain same. 4950. After discount it will be 4600. 4950 is the original price. After discount 4600, and along with the saree you are getting a blouse piece like this. Requesting all of you to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. See, another beautiful saree. See the technique which has been used in this saree. Palla part. This is a very pretty one. Price will remain same. 4950. After discount 4600. You won't get the sarees Katan silk, printed Katan silk at this price after 14th April. This is the look, entire look of the saree. This is just for to honor all of you. We are providing this discount. You won't get and at this rate. And this is the blouse piece. This portion is for the blouse piece. Price will remain same. Another beautiful one, saree number 14. Another beautiful one. This is the look. See the palla part. See the palla. This is the palla part. entire body. It's a combination of grey with black, orange, yellow. Just see the sari. It's beautiful, beautiful. Once you drip this sari na, you will look gorgeous. Just see, this is the entire look. It's very sober one as well as very pretty. This is the entire look of the sari, and along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. So vibrant blouse piece along with the grey color sari. This is the look. Price remains same. Those who want to book the sari, please take the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. Now this is another one, palla part. This portion is for palla. This portion is for palla part. Here comes the body. Entire body with the gun spray. Different colors has been used, and this is the border. Border is very sober, white with turquoise blue and mustard yellow. Entire look of the sari. This is the entire look of the sari, and here is the blouse piece. You are getting a blouse piece like this. This portion is for blouse piece. Entire sari. Price remains same, 4600. 4600 is the discounted price. So requesting all of you to take the screenshot and send it to my number, which is 9330866384.